Hey everybody, I guess my transition lenses are still transitioning. Happy Thursday, and I wanted to come here and congratulate. I've heard from quite a few of you that when you did the price increases, you also offered a prepay of the whole year at a 10% discount. So far I've counted 10 from the few that have given me the information. So 10 clients have prepaid, so that gives them a nice chunk of change to hold into escrow. And it kind of sends the cash flow into the company, and you're able to use things to leverage that with. So congratulations to those of you who did it. That's super important. I wanted to come out here and also talk about price increases. I can't even talk. Sorry, it's just been a long day. Price increases, if you still have not done a price increase in the last year, and you still don't know what or how or why or even where to start to get a price increase, please hit me up. I'll be more than happy to walk you through what those steps need to be. There's an actual template that I can give you. I think I actually finally have the template on my phone so that I can answer those questions when they arrive, should I not be at home. But that's super important that you're giving out price increases, especially since we have the highest form of inflation in almost 40 years, or I don't remember if it's exceeded 40 years or not. So yes, if you need help with price increases, by all means, please hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help you with that journey. And if you need a little bit of assistance on getting clients to prepay articulation, I'll be willing to walk you through on how to do that as well. And I also have a pilot program that I'm going to be launching today. And it's actually a pilot program where you can actually message me back and forth, and it's unlimited for the week. And the questions that can be asked are pricing questions, how to price this, I have this building, how much would it be for that type of thing. So the parameters are pretty generalized. So if it's a pricing issue or an onboarding my client issue, basic things, the pilot program is actually going to be $15 a week is what I'm offering it at. And the price will actually go up in April. So I think $15 is a sweet deal. It's actually what, $1 Starbucks, $2 Starbucks to message me back and forth to help you with pricing, or sometimes you get a really unusual offering like a church or something. I'll be more than happy to message you. If it's a phone call that you need because there's just too much information to convey, then it's going to be a different type of pricing point, and I haven't decided what that is, so now we're just going to continue business as normal. But if you have something that is really simple to do and you're kind of unsure how to price, by all means message me and just say pilot program, and we'll get you all set up with that, and there it'll go over what the parameters specifically are for that. So that is awesome, and it's taken me a while to kind of come up with what I wanted to offer, and I think that $15 is a pretty economical price. So that's $15 a week. I also have one spot available tomorrow to see if I'm your person, and I think I have 2 spots left for next week if you're interested in booking a Zoom call with me to see if I'm your person to really help your business grow next year, or this year, not next year. We're already in the next year. So yes. Hi Lauren, how are you? So yes, if you are interested in meeting with me over the Zoom to see if I'm your person and a one-on-one environment, by all means, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you and walk you through what I'm offering and what I don't offer, and to see if I'm a good fit for you. But in any case, I feel lucky. It feels like it's 75 degrees, so I think it's probably only in the 60s, and I know some of you have snow. So Miss Stacy, I know we talked yesterday, and you're supposed to get snow today, and I'm out here in the sun in my backyard. So I hope that you guys have a great rest of your week. If you guys have any questions, by all means, don't be shy. And I look forward to your answers. You take care.